In this video, we're going to be looking at the Catozzi side step. So you're going to start upright with your feet a little bit wider than shoulder width apart, and you're going to reach down to the floor with the opposite hand as the foot. You're going to swing the free leg over behind the base foot, put a bit of weight on it, and then bring it back to parallel. Swap side, swipe that leg behind, put a bit of weight on it. You can start to sink your hips into this back step and then push back to parallel and repeat on the other side. You're going to be thinking of working the external rotation of that base foot. As you can see, the femur's thinking of externally rotating as you sink down, and you want to have a little bit of weight on the back foot as well as a support. That weight distribution is going to allow you to transition into other movements using this particular Catozzi pattern. So start opposite hand, take a step behind, sink your hips and put a little bit of weight on that back leg, and then you will repeat on the other side. External rotation of that front femur, and you can think of internally rotating that back leg in order to get it nice and deep behind you, so that you can sink into the pattern. When you get the hang of the pattern, you can simply start to perform it side to side in a continuous flow. By continuous, I mean that the movement just keeps on going and there are no pauses. It doesn't mean that you have to do it fast or at any particular speed. If you can perform the movement nice and slow, you'll have a bit more time to think about your position, think about your balance, think about your center of mass and what you're doing, and you will have time to make the important positions and try and fight for your balance. So take your time on this pattern and enjoy switching from side to side. The volume recommendation for the Catozzi side step is to accumulate 15 to 20 reps on each side. You can divide this into 3 sets of 5 reps on each side if you are going for 15.